Hey guys, so I want to do a real quick video on a way to make some money with plants. This plant right here, this is a Japanese maple. If you see your customers, if you do pressure washing, yard care, whatever, if you see them throwing away some branches, trimming the trees and stuff, or just trim the trees when you're there, cut the bottom at a 45 and the top of the branch flat right at the, like, see this dead wood? I messed up. I should have cut it at the lobe there, whatever. But you can see it's starting to grow roots, and hopefully it'll be a nice little Japanese maple. And then after it gets a little bigger, I plant it in my yard. I have something to take clippings off of every year, over and over and over, and I can make sure they're the right size that I want. Then this is a lemon tree. It's only 2 years old. It has some dead leaves falling off. What happened with the leaves falling off? I don't know if you can see all the new growth. It has a lot of new branches on it. As soon as those new branches shot out, it just dropped its leaves because it put all that energy into growing those branches, And then it had little tiny leaves. Now it has full leaves again. But I mean, it takes a while to grow these, but I need it to get a little bit bigger, and I can get 20 bucks off this lemon tree. Actually, okay, listen to this. So the state I live in, you're not allowed to sell plants. I can get 20 bucks off this planter, and it comes with a free lemon tree, okay? And then this also, customers, you already had vines overgrown everywhere, but they were like those decorative vines. So I asked him if I could just take a little clipping. He didn't give a shit. He's like, they're invasive as hell. But people like these. You always see them growing up hillsides and stuff. So this has started. I'll put it outside, and again, it'll be something. I'll probably plant it away from my house because I really don't like these vines, but it'll be something I can take trimmings off of all the time and sell it. Even sell it bulk to landscape places, supply places. And I plan on getting into landscape too when I go full-time into my business. You'd think with all the freaking side businesses that I have, I'd be full-time already, but this coronavirus stuff got me scared, and I'm very responsible. Like, I don't want to jump both feet in without knowing 110% that I'm going to be able to swim when it comes to sink or swim. But yeah, this is a great little way to make extra money. And again, with the trees, you don't really want leaves on them. Just cut the branch. You cut them at the node. You can see this just has dead wood now. And then put a 45 on the bottom. Put it in some water. You can put cloning solution on it if you want. They say it helps out, but it's as easy as that. And if you don't know how much these freaking things go for, go to the landscape supply store. Now, obviously, at this size, you ain't getting rinky-dink of shit, but as soon as it gets bigger, like I said, this is going to be my plant too. I've been planting in my front yard. I got some hairy lauder trees off of a customer, which are like the walking cane trees. And this is just easy money. I mean, why not? It doesn't take very long. It helps build up your landscape, and then you can make money off of it. All you need is a little, it helps to have a little greenhouse, obviously, but don't need it.